Hi there, students. Bruise, bruise. So, to bruise, a verb. A bruise, a noun. I guess bruising would be the noun of the quality or the thing, and bruised as an adjective, and I guess even bruisedly as an adverb. Okay, when you hit yourself against something but you don't break the skin and then it goes blue and purple, that is a bruise. Yeah, it's caused by bleeding under the skin because you've hit against something from some sort of injury. So I fell off my bicycle and I bruised my arm quite badly. It was really painful. Yeah, to bruise, yeah, to cause a bruise to come out, to cause a mark where the skin hasn't been broken but it's dark in colour. So he was beaten up by skinheads and he was covered in bruises the next day. Yeah, after the accident they had a few cuts and bruises but nothing serious. Okay, so to bruise, it's an injury. Yeah, the rupturing of the underlying blood vessels. Notice you can bruise fruit. Yeah, for example, soft fruit like a peach. If you drop it on the floor, or you drop an apple on the floor, it will bruise. Yeah, it will be crushed, and it's better if it doesn't. Yeah, some fruit bruises easily. Soft fruit bruises easily. Apples or pears will bruise as well, but they're not quite so soft. Then you could bruise somebody's ego. So we're now using bruise metaphorically, meaning to hurt. Okay, so my pride was bruised. Yeah, I thought I was going to win this match easily and I ended up losing. Yeah, which really bruised my pride. It bruised my ego. I thought I was really good and it brought my ego down. So if you bruise somebody's ego, you do something to show them that they're not actually as good or as brilliant as they think they are. Yeah, the way she rejected me bruised my pride, it bruised my ego, it bruised my self-image. So here we're using it like hit and damage, and that's the idea. So bruise, bruising. My arm was covered in bruising after the accident. Some plants as well are quite sensitive, and if you bang them or hit them too hard, they bruise, they damage, they get a mark on. And I think very often bruise, yeah, to damage, to hurt. You can be bruised by an unpleasant experience. It was a very bruising experience. There we go, an adjective as well. Some people have egos that are very easily bruised. Yeah, bruising as an adjective, violent, rough. Yeah, a bruiser, a big bloke who sorts everything out with his fists. Yeah, there were two bruisers standing outside the club acting as security guards. Let's see, don't confuse this with brews, B-R-E-W-S, to brew beer or to brew tea. Yeah, this is a place that brews beer. Same sound, but different spelling. Okay, so to bruise, to injure, to damage, to bang into fragments. Yeah, he bruised the parsley in a pestle and mortar. A bruising experience. His ego was bruised by it. Yeah, his feelings were bruised. So a bruise, the physical bruise, a contusion, that's the technical word for it. I've even got a video on that. Some sort of trauma, some sort of injury. So to bruise, to injure. Yeah, Okay, so to bruise somebody's feelings, yeah, to hurt them, yeah, to make them feel bad about it. Okay, so a bruise. A bruised arm, 5 informality, use anywhere. His ego was rather bruised. I'm going to give it a 4.5 informality, use anywhere. Maybe I wouldn't use it in something very formal. I think I might try to explain it in a different way. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Middle English, bruisen, bressen, brissen. Yeah, brisan, to bruise or to crush, which comes from Proto-Indo-European itself, bruise, to break. Okay, so clearly, yeah, a bruise. A black eye is bruising around the eye. His ego was bruised. His reputation was bruised. Bruised and bloody, but undefeated. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bruise, bruised, bruising.